The littlest chef. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie and this is the littlest chef. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make Haitian Epis. Now, Haitian Epis is a blend of different vegetables that Haitians love to use in their cooking, and you basically use it to season everything. You use it to season meat, fish, soup, rice, basically everything, okay guys? So please do not cook your food without Epis, okay? Or else it's not gonna taste like anything. There's 24 hours in the day. Take 30 minutes to make some Epis, please. So let me bring you a little bit closer so that you can see all the different vegetables that we're gonna put in the blender. Okay guys, so this is what we're working with. On our cutting board, we have scallions, we have different colored peppers, onions, parsley, garlic, and a really abnormally large Scotch bonnet pepper. I might end up cutting half of this. So we're gonna put everything in the blender with some olive oil. All right, I have this like baby Vitamix here. So let's see. Oh, so the first thing I like to do is add the olive oil to the bottom. And this kind of helps with blending, okay? I always use olive oil. I never use water to blend my Epis. So you're gonna add, I like to start off with the soft things on the bottom so that the blender can blend them easily, and then the harder things on the top. So I'll put this in there. I'll put some peppers. I'll put a little bit of this. And you're gonna have to kind of like go back and forth and add some things because they're not all gonna fit at once. Cut this Scotch bonnet pepper in half because remember guys, not everybody likes spice, okay? So remember, you can always add spice, but you can't remove it, okay? So we're gonna put half of this. This is basically like the size of one like regular pepper. Let's add a little bit more olive oil to help this blend. I like to start off by blending it on low, and that helps to like move things around a bit. And then I'll work my way up to a higher speed. And then every so often, I'm gonna just take it off and like shake things around to get things moving. Remember, this is the baby Vitamix, so it does a really good job, but not as good as like the huge Vitamix. I would add a little bit more oil at this point to help things move. And I think I mentioned this is extra virgin olive oil. This is from Trader Joe's. I actually really like this, and I think I bought this big bottle for like $10. So I like it a lot. So things are starting to move. And at this point, we see that there's a little bit more space up here, so we can actually put the rest of the things inside. So we take the onions, the rest of the garlic, and then you're gonna continue to blend. Now, different people like their Epis different ways, but I never like to make my Epis very liquidy. Okay, I like to make sure that there's some chunks of garlic in there still. All right, so now at this point, I don't see any big chunks of onion on top, so I feel like this is pretty good. So this is how it looks. And then let me show you the inside. All right, so you're gonna have, it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna see like all the beautiful colors from all the different types of peppers. All right, take this and you're gonna store it in a very tight container, and you can actually keep this in your fridge for 1 month. So this is basically it. Epis, always cook with Epis, don't forget it, okay? All right guys, have a good day.